Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, please do so. Today we'll cover prerequisite and installation of a JMeter. Prerequisite of JMeter. So JMeter requires Java 8 or its higher version. Now we'll see how we can install JMeter in our system. So let's go to Google and ask for JMeter download. Yes. So JMeter download, and we'll try to find out the JMeter Apache JMeter link. So we'll go to this link, particular link. Yes, so this is the Apache JMeter official website. So we will be looking for a JMeter. So currently Apache JMeter 5.2.1 is its latest version. So, and as it is also mentioned here, it requires Java 8 or its higher version. So now we'll try to download this. So let me, after clicking on Apache JMeter 5.2 zip file, it asking me to start the download. So now I'll click on start downloads, and yes, it got downloaded. So only 62 MB of file it is, so it just got downloaded in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, within a minute I think it will get downloaded. Yes, yeah, so completely downloaded. And now we'll look into this. So open the folder. Yes, so where is my Apache JMeter? Apache JMeter 5.2.1. so I got a zip file. I'll try to, first of all, will unzip it. So extract all. Yes, anyway, extract here, extracting the zip file. Yes, to application. So we'll go into the bin folder. Inside a bin folder, we'll try to find out a jmeter.bat file, as I am using a Windows system. So with the help of that particular batch file, I'll be able to initialize my JMeter. Yes, so initialization may take some time, as I'm initializing it for the first time. So here it also tell about the memory which it is currently using. So we can also modify this, but will not see right now. We will see in some other lectures. So yes, this is the GUI of our JMeter. So let's have a quick walk through of a JMeter GUI. So we have a tabs, file, edit, search, run. There are a few options. So option, we can change the look and feel of our JMeter, how we want to see the logs. So we can configure the log as well. SSL managers, choose language. If we do not want to use in English, we can also use in some different language. Expand and collapse, zoom in, zoom out, save automatically before run tools. Heap dump functions as well. We have multiple functions. So generating a report, we can generate from here. Importing a curl to design a scripts, and help section. So this is how JMeter, and here are a few of the icons which will be using. Expand, collapse, run, clear, and all, search. So these are the few of icons which will be using while executing our test. Also here we have a template. So here by default JMeter come up with few of the templates which we can use for our creating a script. One thing which we'll have to notice, that JMeter does not come up with a plugin manager by default. So in order to get a plugin manager, we'll have to download a plugin manager, and then we'll have to add that particular plugin manager into our external folder within a lib file. So here we'll have to add a plugin manager jar file. So it's very easy to do so as well. We can look into how to do so. Plugin manager JMeter, yes, download, and here from here we can easily download it. Plugin manager, yes. If you want to get the jar file, yes, here is the jar file. It's of just 874 KB, waiting to download. Yes, now it got downloaded. Keep and show in a folder. Yes, where it is. Showing folder. So here again in a download folder I have cut it. Now within a compress I have a JMeter, so within a library external, and I will add here. So I have added a JMeter plugin manager within my JMeter external folder. So here I cannot see the plugin managers because I have not restarted the system, so I need to restart it. So just cancel it and again go back to a bin folder, and now let restart the JMeter batch file. So now it will come up with a plugin manager icon as well. So here, yes, you can see that the plugin manager options got added in our JMeter. So this is how JMeter is so highly extensible. We can add many of the available jars which are here for many different operations. So we'll try to see some of those in. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel if video was informative, and also hit the bell icon for more updates. Feel free to drop suggestions in the comment box.